We all know that regular vehicle inspections are important for keeping drivers safe. Kev spots some light damage, but deems the vehicle safe to drive. He'll hand that sheet to his manager later. Kay, on the other hand, uses integrated partner applications on her Pro driver terminal to do a pre-specified detailed walk-around check of the vehicle. Her form is completed digitally, and her manager is instantly notified. Okay, where to first? Kevin checks his paper job sheet. Oops, have fun finding your next job, Kev. Kay doesn't take any chances. She uses Webfleet order management. Her jobs are preloaded to the driver terminal, so she knows exactly where to go next. Kev's finally using some tech. This personal choice of navigation app on his mobile device. The only thing is, the information isn't as up-to-date as it could be, and his customers are never informed about delays. Kay benefits from TomTom Live traffic updates that automatically reroute her journey, and customers get the best-in-class ETAs. Plus, her driver terminal informs her of any job cancellations. When her job's all done, Kay instantly emails the job sheet to the customer for them to check and sign. Back in the office, her manager receives an alert of the completed job and begins the automated invoicing process. Meanwhile, Kev's in a rush to finish his job. He gets the form signed and speeds off, but the customer has spotted a mistake. That'll cost his company an admin time later. Next up on Kev's day, a road traffic accident, with the other driver trying to pin the blame on him. Brilliant. Kate's also involved in a minor accident, but the whole event is automatically recorded by her dashboard camera. And as it's connected to the cloud, the footage is sent directly to her manager, who forwards it onto the insurance company. It's the end of the day. Kay returns the van to the depot and heads home. But Kev's day is far from over. Along with his manager, he spends the next several hours going through all of the issues that could have easily been addressed by Webfleet and partner integrations. Meanwhile, Kay puts her feet up, knowing all jobs were completed on time, all administrative tasks have been automated, and the manager is happy with her duty of care. Who do you want to be?